Good morning, students. All of you, welcome to Future Doctor Neet Academy. Today, the subject is chemistry. I'm going to give some important problems in thermodynamics. See the first question. In a process, 701 joule of heat is absorbed by a system and 394 joule of work is done by the system. What is the change in internal energy for the process? Option A, 201 joule. Option B, 307 joule. Option C, 207 joule. Option D, 1095 joule. Okay, here also we have some formula is there. If you use this formula, you can use to solve the sum. Understood? Okay. See the second question. For a chemical reaction, the values of del H and del S at 300 Kelvin are minus 10 kilojoule per mole and minus 20 joule per degree per mole respectively. What is the value of del G of the reaction? Option A, minus 4 kilojoule per mole. Option B, minus 3 kilojoule per mole. Option C, minus 2 kilojoule per mole. Option D, minus 5 kilojoule per mole. See the third question. We have an equations. The equation is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3, all in gaseous state. Del H for the reaction, this is called standard enthalpy of the reaction. Standard enthalpy of the reaction is minus 92.4 kilojoule per mole. What is the standard enthalpy of formation of ammonia gas? Okay, the standard enthalpy of the reaction is given. You have to find out the standard enthalpy of formation. That's the question. Okay, here also we have one small formula. If you follow this, you can be able to get the answer. Here option is A, minus 92.4 kilojoule per mole. Option B, minus 46.2 kilojoule per mole. Option C, minus 23.1 kilojoule per mole. Option D, plus 11.2 kilojoule per mole. Fourth question, when an atom becomes molecule, that is 2Cl gives Cl2. When an atom becomes molecules, they are asking to find the del H and del S value in this reaction. Okay, see the option A, both are minus, minus, minus. B, plus, plus. C option, one is plus, another one is minus. D option, one is minus, another is plus. Okay, now see the fifth question. Molar heat of vaporization of a liquid is 4.8 kilojoule per mole. If the entropy change is 16 joule per mole per Kelvin, what is the boiling point of the liquid? That's the question. Now the option is A, 323 Kelvin, B, 270 Kelvin, C, 164 Kelvin, D, 0.3 Kelvin. Now see the sixth question. An ideal gas expands in volume from 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube to 1 into 10 power minus 2 meter cube at 300 Kelvin against a constant pressure of 1 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. The work done is option A, minus 900 joule. Option B, plus 900 joule. Option C, plus 270 kilojoule. Option D, plus 900 kilojoule. The last question, the dissociation energy of methane and ethane are 360 and 620 kilocalories per mole. The value of bond dissociation energy of CC bond in kilocalories is option A, 170 kilojoule per mole. Option B, 50 kilojoule per mole. Option C, 80 kilojoule per mole. Option D, 220 kilojoule per mole. So these are the 7 questions. So first go through the formula. If you can means you can try. I will give the solution tomorrow. Thank you, students.